Hello Cubers! Welcome back to my channel. This is my alter ego, a Filipino Rubik's Cube mosaic artist. We'll be doing a series of portraits for the housemate of Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. As you know, the edition of Pinoy Big Brother is a collaboration of ABS-CBN and a GMA network.
Ashley, Easy, Well, Charlie, Josh, Dustin, Mika, AC, Snare, Brent, Clarice, River, Ralph, Kira, Michael, Bianca, Emilio, Vince, Shovie, Cyril.
Please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified of my next Rubik's Cube mosaic videos. To God be all the glory. Happy cubing!